month of October, so let's see what we got. First, of course, the t-shirt. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's Luigi. It goes behind him. Mario's hat, rest in peace. Star, rest in peace. There's the crown. Very nice. Very nice. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh. Oh, these are very nice. I think this is a paracord bracelet. Put it on your wrist. Dark, I'm assuming by the color of it, but we'll find out later. Let's see here. Alright, if you can, it kind of glows in the dark. There's still too much light, but it does glow in the dark. I think it does glow in the dark. But this is really cool, especially if you're into survival and surviving stuff. This is very good stuff to use. Alright, so I see a couple good goodies in here. Ooh, this looks like a Boo mask. Nice. One that you can, I'll definitely give that to my wife. I know she likes to open this thing. Alright. Oh, look at that. That's a Boo. See, it's a mask. Put it on. Silky. Silky smooth. Very silky smooth. Okay, so we'll put that there. Don't worry about the trash later. Next, some Pop Rocks Cotton Candy Explosion. These are pretty cool. Remember back in the day, we used to eat these and they said, don't drink Pepsi or you die. And we know that that's lies. Bunch of lies. Okay, next thing we got, ooh, these Pocket Pop keychain. This one, of course, is Daryl Dixon from The Walking Dead by Funko. I hear this is a very good brand. And we open up the box. I don't care about that, man. Come on, get in there, baby. There we go. Look at that. Put that over here. This is a keychain. Very nice. Look at the detail on him. It's got his signature goatee. He's got a knife. I don't see his, oh, there's his crossbow in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the crossbow in the back? It's dark. I mean, the crossbow is also dark. So we'll put him over here. And we have another one. Oh, Jack Skellington. And we all know that's from the Nightmare Before Christmas. Very nice. Let's take him out. Looks like he is also a keychain. These Funko Pocket Pop keychains are pretty cool. There's another keychain. Put that on the side. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Attention to details. These guys are good. Reminds me of one of the suits that, what's his name? Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Yeah, we'll put that in the trash over there. And, of course, the pin. 1-up box pin you get, October 2015. Nightmare was the theme. And, of course, one last thing. What we got here? What is this? It is a poster. Nice. A 1-up box Nightmare poster. Goes along with the t-shirt. Very nice. And of course, you got the little explanations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Paracord bracelet. This glow-in-the-dark bracelet will guide you to the other side. Ooh. Look at that. Very nice. That's the bonus item. That one that's probably going to be free.